Yay! Respawn our car. Oh, I thought it was the blue room from my Lightning Mach 1. And we got Lightning Mach 1's number. Yeah, I think. Bunggo agad eh! How did I teleport to US? My dad is here, still working in Alaska. Yeah! Pag totoo buhay ito talaga. Ay! At this my new way to glitch out of the map without happy mode. I thought it was stone. Skibidi Toilet Arc. Super Sigma Mu R. Not lang. Tuklang! Tuklang nga nani eh. Oh! Yay! Uy, bakit? May... Ano ba yung nangyayari? Truck. My dream car. You know, I have that car, but it's just a normal one. It looks like a Toyota Veloz. Can't believe there's no Doja Cat. You know, I'm still standing everywhere I was a kid. I'm still a kid though. How are we moonwalking? I mean, how are we stable? Everybody going backwards or I'm backwards? You know, this guy is also backwards or not backwards too. Yeah, race. Ge. Bukan nyo. Oh, yan tuloy, karma. Aray mo. Buti 360 tong health energy na to. Harry Potter magic na yan. Kachi. Race ko to. Break muna. Change kotse. Bye-bye kotse. Infinity X Yota. Uy! Ano yan? Daming tao pa. Ay! Dito na nare-race yung Lightning McQueen, no? Ito yung mga truck. Lightning. Speed. Kachow. Kachow. Lightning. Speed. Kachow. Kachow. Tae. Charlie Kirky! No matter. Where is the black dude? So my favorite one is like my favorite crush was like that one dude that rushed into the ambulance behind. Like Lightning McQueen was in the demo derby.
Dito ka kay Kuya, para makalinis ako dito. Maglaro ha?
Oh.
Puriran. Bilis ako dito, Kuya. Okay?
Oh my gosh, ang hirap mag-control dito. Yes, Rilla? Yes? Yes, baby? Yes, Brella? My baby! Oh, so black. What do you mean soft body? It's like, oh my gosh. Grabe, ang bilis, pero boom, kachaw! Ito yung model ni Lightning McQueen. Yung twin ni Lightning McQueen, oh. Ayun na, hanap ko. Pwede ito mag-actually may multo sa loob dyan! Laka! May multo sa loob ng kotse. Brella, das Kuya shield to shotgun and for shotgun. Das Kuya shield. Okay, let's go now. Talaga ba? Ay! Ano yun? Ay! Build different talaga yun. Simulator! Hindi yan simulator. Rusty pa naman tulad sa ipin ko. Go race! Sige, gasgasin mo ba yung car? Gasgasin mo. Gagasgas ka pa more. Ay, aray ko. Ay. Try ko to. Hindi ko pa tinatry yung Thunderbird. Oh, wait lang. Try ko i-drive mo lang ko. Yes, baby. Yes, Brella. Oh, nalilinis kasi si Mami. Oh, ito, mga toys. Brella. Toys. Ito, Brella. Ito. Oh.